This is part 7 of Boiler Room. Truth has vanished. Not into thin air. Not air at all. What actually happened in the bedroom didn't occur because I say otherwise, and I am the sole arbiter of what empirical fact is and what I deem fiction. The former President of the United States was so insane in his later years, his lack of observational world evidence, acknowledging not the truth, but simple shit as fable fact. For instance, what I ate was indeed a donut, became so diminished that enough turds determined he was some kind of messiah. He had eaten an apple, so he claimed. Casinos, overpriced hotel rooms, a beauty pageant, and a crappy television show. I suppose it's not much different than my Catholic comrade who, when put to the sword, confers, "The transubstantiation of Christ is literal. It does actually occur beyond symbols, and this priest is no dunce to emblems, mystics, and the ancient analog flags of a fake universe." He believes, in his heart and in his head. He believes it happened. The ladybug can fly now. Before it was something else. It's called transformation. There it is. It's all it is. No small wonder we enrolled a vulgarian buffoon as commander and thief. The seams of our very quilt are finally fraying. And once the unraveling commences, it will be mere threads strewn all over the floor that are beyond redeemable. It's imminent. Down with the chief. It's near the end.